Hey guys, it's Mary. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading videos. I have softball and bowling for Special Olympics, and it's been a disaster. It's also raining and thundering where I live in Belvedere. So, to make up for me not uploading any videos for an entire month, you guys get to give me challenges for an entire month. I would do the challenge for an entire month. I don't care how long it takes, but I would do challenges. Or if you guys want me to trace something, I will show you what. Actually, I did trace something. It's right here. I'm sorry if you can't see it. And don't mind them. That's just my family being family. Doing family things. Fighting. Anyways, please give me those challenges. I'm ready for anything. So, I'm sorry if this video is not as long as you guys hoped it would be. And since I also have a game on Monday, because on Mondays I do softball, and on Thursdays I do bowling. And today's Thursday, and I bowled today. It was also raining. Sorry guys, my hand getting tight in this camera. Yeah. So give me those challenges. I'm ready for them anytime. Please comment the challenges below, and please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later, and please give me the challenges. Bye.